guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my winter reset routine and how I stay productive, relaxed and calm during this winter season. So let's get into it. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. Let's go. The first thing I like to do in my reset routine is tidy up my space. A clean environment really helps me focus and feel calm. So I started off by tidying my desk, as it was very messy. Oh shit, passwords. Oh shit. Now I'm organizing everything into my folder. I make sure to categorize my notes by color so I can find what I need quickly. Staying on top of organization like this really helps me to avoid feeling overwhelmed when it's time to revise again. As you can see, my shoes are in a messy pile. So now I'm putting them back into their designated spots to keep them neat and easy to grab. I love this setup because it keeps everything visible and saves me so much time in the mornings. All done. I just put the dirty clothes in a bag to go in the wash later. Now I'm just restocking my mini skincare fridge to keep everything organized and fresh. I love using this fridge because it helps extend the life of my skincare and products and gives them a nice cooling effect when I use them. But as you can see, I don't actually put any of my skincare products in here. I actually keep my mini perfumes in here, but I've put a few body care stuff at the top shelf. All done. Emptying my paper bin. For my study session, I kept it simple and focused on one of my subjects. I like to use a mix of handwritten notes and digital notes to keep everything organized. I started by reviewing key points, then broke them down into smaller sections to make things easier to remember. Staying productive doesn't mean overworking, just staying consistent and taking small steps every day. So I'm just making a New Year's, New Me goals list for things that I want to achieve in 2025. So I recently decorated my iPad homepage from Halloween vibes to Christmas and winter. So as you can see, I am writing a to-do list for tonight's tasks that I need to complete. So now I'm starting my revision. So now I'm just practicing some piano. So now I'm just having some chill time after a long day. I'm on YouTube and I'm watching Ive's latest video. They were on a road trip and then they went to this building to play some games and it was really fun to watch. I had some spicy pizza for dinner. I'm now doing my skincare routine. So I use the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, then a serum and then sun cream. It's currently 10:30 p.m. So I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.